The quadrants of agile testing were originally developed and presented by Brian Merrick. You can find the link to read more in the material of this course. They were further presented and developed in the book Agile Testing by Lisa Crispin and Janet Gregory, and by Gojko Ajic and James Back, each of them evolving the quadrants in different ways. The usual misconception about the quadrants is that they are taken as a timeline, that the quadrant 1 starts, and then after it's finished, these activities in the quadrant 1 are finished, then the quadrant 2 goes, and then 3, and then 4. But it's not to be understood as a timeline. The Q2 phase is not done after the Q1 phase. It's done all together at the same time. These quadrants just help team thinking about testing first, not as the last thing they would do. You can take a look at the different quadrants. We will talk more about them in further courses. They are here just to illustrate the way the quality is built in a whole product, in a different points, in a different ways we develop the product. So from the Brian Merrick original, we can see that we have some technology facing and supporting the team tasks that could be usually done by developers. Then we have some supporting the team and business facing that are usually done by testers or by developers in test. That can be automated or manual. We will talk about automation and manual a bit later. Then we can have some business facing and critiquing the product tests, or technology facing and related to the product. All these tests can be run in parallel. They're not going one after the other and the other and the other. From this first version, Gojko Ajic evolved another version, a bit differently, just to forget about the Q1, 2, 3 or 4 and to focus on the value of the testing. And the last one, we will be talking about this one in the next course a lot, is the Rapid Software Testing Agile Testing Ecosystem, developed by James Back and Michael Bolton. And you can see this is quite an evolution from the original one.